Sara looks into the mirror and whispers, "One day, I will speak English with confidence." Sara went to school every day. Some students laughed at her old clothes. At night, Sara studied English. She opened her old book again and again. Sometimes she felt tired, but she kept learning. One day, her teacher announced an English speech competition. Sara listened carefully. Sara felt nervous on competition day. She waited behind the curtain and took a deep breath. Sara walked to the microphone. She was afraid, but she did not run away. Sara spoke about her mother. She said her mother was kind and strong. She said her mother never gave up. Sara's voice became stronger. Sara finished her speech. The room became quiet for one moment. Then everyone clapped. Sara went home with a trophy. She gave it to her mother. Her mother smiled and cried. They hugged each other with love. The next morning, Sara saw the sunrise. She smiled and held her notebook close. She knew her journey was not over. But now she believed in herself.
Sara did not give up. Sara studied every night. Sara worked hard for her dream. Her mother believed in her. Sara spoke with confidence. Sara did not give up. Sara studied every night. Sara worked hard for her dream. Her mother believed in her. Sara spoke with confidence. Vocabulary. Dream, something you want for your future. Tired, needing rest. Nervous, feeling worried or afraid. Courage, the ability to be brave. Confidence, believing in yourself. Trophy, a prize for winning. Hope, a feeling that good things will happen. Strong, brave and not weak. Moral. Never give up on your dream.